Hey YouTube, I'm making the last video of the lawnmower before I tear it all apart and it stops being a lawnmower. But so yeah, I guess I don't know what, I haven't been posting videos. I don't remember what exactly is what as far as what I had before and whatnot. I got the throttle there that sticks. Shifter, the seat's been lowered a little bit more. So like when you're sitting on it, I've had to cut it, as you can see. But it sits, like when you're sitting on it, it sits like right over the tires, and it probably still rubs, but I don't really care. Yeah, I believe the last time it only went 30 miles an hour. I can't remember when I made the last video, but it goes 42, is what it maxes out at. I won't be able to show you that. Kind of sucks. It does really good wheelies in second gear. I can get it to stand almost straight up and down. And the big reason why I'm tearing this thing apart is, you see that shaft, right? There's usually a brake rotor on here. If I hold the camera steady, you can hear that banging around. What happened was the bushing blew out and I started wearing at the case. I didn't know that, so I just bought new bushings, took it apart, put new bushings in, and it ran good for 3 weeks. Then it blew out again because they were off. So I've been driving it like this for a few weeks now. And it makes terrible grinding noises and all that crap, but it still runs. So I'm gonna keep driving it, but I think today I'll just rip her apart because I don't know how many of you are have a ton of knowledge and this kind of stuff, but if you have that, a Peerless 700, and that, you combine all three, what do you get? I don't know. We'll find out to see if it, what I have in mind works. Oh yeah, you can see that front end's nice and towed out from slapping wheelies down, bending the freaking tie rod, and all that stuff. This is probably the last time it'll be running. I mean, obviously the engine will still work, but yeah, I'll fire it up and drive it around a little bit, and yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, drop my watch. Hold on. Alright, the watch is back on. Yeah, idle sure needs adjustment, but yeah. Yeah, just kind of holding this camera right now, yeah, fourth gear at an idle, she goes like 10 miles an hour. So that's another reason I got that four-wheeler frame. Suspension. There we go. Hey, doggy. So, the idea is I'll be hacking the front end of this frame off, hacking the front end of this frame off, hacking the rear end of that frame off, hacking the rear of this frame off, combining the two. So it'll have suspension of a four-wheeler, but it'll be a longer wheelbase than a four-wheeler, and it'll be about 2 feet longer than what this is now. So I'll keep you updated, and I'll rip around the yard a little bit more, and then I'll tear it apart and make another video.